the final whistle goes, and it's advantage Real Madrid.
They've done the impossible, but you should never write off this Arsenal side.
A massive challenge for Arsenal. The biggest day in Arsenal season so far. Arsenal fall to defeat in the first leg. So much at stake.
And surely that is the time. And it is over. Arsenal have made history. What a moment.